Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful unit from RPGSHOW. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you know that I've been working with RPGSHOW for years now. Such an advocate for the brand, for their products. They honestly never disappoint. I will say that some of their units are a little bit on the pricier side, but you truly do get what you pay for. I always suggest these units to my friends and family looking to invest in high quality units. These units are also just really great for beginners, customized to perfection. All I did was cut off the lace. I didn't do anything else. I didn't tamper with anything else. I cut off the lace and plopped it on my head. Quickly going over the specs. So this is the 13x6 glueless Swiss lace front wig, and it's 200% density. The lace color that I got is medium brown. Thank you to RPGSHOW for sending me this absolutely stunning unit. I'm really excited to show you guys more, so let's just jump straight into the video. So that pretty much concludes the video, you guys. I'm honestly speechless. This unit is so beautiful. I can't wait to wear it. It's perfect for the holidays. The job that they did on the highlights is phenomenal. I don't have a single negative thing to say about this unit. Follow me on TikTok because I know that I'm gonna be wearing this a ton on my TikTok. So if you want to see more footage in action, follow me on TikTok. Drop any questions that you have down in the comment section below. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you're as obsessed with this hair as I am. And don't forget to subscribe, of course, if you haven't already. I will catch you guys in my next video.